For a long time, GoPro has occupied a very specific space in the camera world. It was never about studio precision or cinematic control in the traditional sense. Instead, it was about immediacy, capturing action as it happens, in places where bigger cameras simply don't belong. Surfing, mountain biking, skiing, skydiving, underwater exploration. GoPro became the default companion for moments that are fast, unpredictable, and often impossible to repeat. That identity stayed consistent for years and shaped what people expect from an action camera. The rumored GoPro Mission 1 Pro, however, suggests that this identity may be expanding in a significant way. Rather than simply refining the same formula, early leaks point toward a camera that is attempting to cross into a new category altogether. It still carries the rugged DNA of a GoPro, but the direction now feels closer to a compact filmmaking tool rather than just an action recorder. At the center of this rumored transformation is a major imaging upgrade. The most talked about detail is the introduction of a much larger 1-inch class sensor with an estimated 50 megapixel output. This represents a huge shift for the action camera segment. Traditionally, small sensors have been used to keep devices compact, fast, and power efficient. That approach works well in bright outdoor environments, but it comes with clear limitations when lighting becomes difficult. Noise increases, dynamic range shrinks, and fine detail begins to disappear in shadows. The Mission 1 Pro appears to be designed to challenge those limitations directly. By pairing a larger sensor with the next-generation GP3 processor, the camera is expected to deliver improved low-light performance, richer color depth, and more balanced exposure handling. The goal is not just sharper footage, but more usable footage in a wider variety of conditions. Indoor scenes, night environments, and high-contrast lighting situations could all benefit significantly from this upgrade. Video capability is where the ambition becomes even more obvious. One of the most widely discussed rumors is support for 8K recording at 60 frames per second. If this turns out to be accurate, it would place the Mission 1 Pro far beyond the typical boundaries of action cameras. Even many larger mirrorless systems struggle with sustained high-resolution output at this level, making this a technically bold direction for a compact, rugged device. Alongside this headline feature, a range of additional video modes is also expected. These include high frame rate 4K options for smooth slow-motion capture, ultra-slow recording modes in lower resolutions, and professional color profiles intended for editing workflows. The inclusion of 10-bit color support and HDR recording formats suggests a clear shift toward creators who want post-production flexibility rather than simple point-and-shoot convenience. One particularly important rumored feature is open gate recording. Instead of capturing a cropped frame, open gate uses the full sensor area, giving creators much more flexibility in post. In real-world use, this means a single clip can be adapted for multiple formats: horizontal for cinematic edits, vertical for social media, and square or cropped versions for different platforms. When combined with 8K resolution, this approach becomes extremely powerful for modern content workflows where one shoot often needs to serve many outputs. Photography is also expected to take a noticeable leap forward. The Mission 1 Pro is rumored to support 50 megapixel RAW photo capture, which is a major step up for an action-focused device. Early impressions suggest improvements in fine detail, dynamic range, and highlight recovery. This means the camera could perform more reliably in scenes where lighting is uneven, such as sunsets, indoor environments, or high-contrast outdoor shots. Even with these upgrades, the camera still retains the core GoPro identity. It remains compact, rugged, and fully waterproof, with reports suggesting it can handle depths of up to 66 feet. That durability is not just a feature, it is the foundation of what makes GoPro cameras relevant in the first place. The ability to survive extreme environments without extra protection is what separates it from more delicate camera systems. A new grip accessory is also expected to improve handling. While GoPro's small size is one of its biggest strengths, it can also make handheld shooting less comfortable for extended use. The grip is designed to solve that issue by improving stability and ergonomics, making the camera feel closer to a traditional compact system while still maintaining its portability. For vloggers, travelers, and everyday creators, this small addition could have a surprisingly large impact on usability. However, despite all these improvements, the Mission 1 Pro does not remove the fundamental limitations of the action camera format. The fixed ultra-wide lens means there is no optical zoom or focal range flexibility. Depth of field control is still limited, and users will not get the kind of background separation associated with larger sensors or interchangeable lenses. For portrait photography, cinematic telephoto shots, or controlled depth effects, traditional mirrorless or cinema systems remain necessary. Still, these constraints are also part of the design philosophy. The fixed focus ultra-wide lens ensures that most of the scene stays sharp without the need for constant autofocus adjustments. This eliminates issues like focus hunting or missed focus moments, which can be critical in fast-moving environments. For sports, travel, and spontaneous shooting, that consistency is often more valuable than lens versatility. Battery performance is another area where improvements are expected. Thanks to the more efficient GP3 processor and updated power management, the Mission 1 Pro is rumored to offer longer recording times than previous models. Thermal efficiency is also said to be improved, allowing sustained high-resolution recording without the same overheating concerns seen in earlier generations. When all of these elements come together, the Mission 1 Pro starts to feel less like a routine product update and more like a redefinition of what GoPro is trying to become. It still belongs to the action camera category, but its capabilities begin to overlap with more advanced filmmaking tools. It is small enough to mount anywhere, tough enough for extreme conditions, simple enough for casual users, and now powerful enough to attract serious creators. Ultimately, the excitement surrounding this camera is not just about specs like resolution or frame rates. It is about the possibility that a compact, rugged device could now play a much larger role in the creative process than ever before. And that idea alone is what makes the GoPro Mission 1 Pro one of the most talked about rumored cameras in recent memory.